What is diaphragmatic breathing? Diaphragmatic breathing involves using the muscles that help us to breathe. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle that goes down when we breathe in, allowing all the air to go into the lungs, and then when it goes up, it helps to push the air out of the lungs. How do we do diaphragmatic breathing? The first thing we do is we take a small inhale as if we're smelling a wonderful pot of soup. The second thing we do is we take an exhale as if we have a cotton ball on the table, and we're going to gently blow the cotton ball slowly across the table. This is called pursed lip breathing. It helps to increase the pressure in the breathing mechanism to help squeeze all of the old air out. So if we take one breath in and 2 breaths out, that's diaphragmatic breathing. We're going to take another breath in and 2 breaths out, and one more inhale and exhale, 1, 2. We want to avoid hyperventilating, which would be involving breathing very strongly and blowing out very strongly. Hyperventilating can cause you to be a little lightheaded. We don't want that. So why are we interested in doing diaphragmatic breathing? It's very important, especially now, because of the virus, to keep our lungs aerated. We want to push the bad particles out, and we want to expand the rib cage so that we get all the components in the lungs to open up, the small little alveoli and cilia, so they can move and bring more air into the blood system. So what do we get out of the diaphragmatic breathing? Several things. The first thing is every time you exhale, you are stimulating the lymphatic system. All of the lymph nodes dump right into the abdominal wall, right where your diaphragm and lungs are. So every time you exhale, you're pressing the lymphatic system and the fluid around your body so that it can fight against diseases. The second thing about diaphragmatic breathing, as we said, we get good aeration into the lungs and compression of all the bad air out too. So that's very important. The third thing we want to remember is that it causes relaxation, which is very important right now when all of us are at high anxiety. Other benefits are that it will help to reduce your blood pressure. It will help to keep your heart rate at a regular rhythm if you practice diaphragmatic breathing on a regular basis. You can integrate the diaphragmatic breathing technique with everything you do, like walking, exercising, when you're doing weightlifting. You can even integrate it with talking and singing, which professional singers already know the importance of diaphragmatic breathing. So what more could you want out of diaphragmatic breathing? Try practicing it 3 to 5 times, 3 to 5 times a day. It will help you fight disease, stimulate your immune system, and make you feel more relaxed.